Hey everybody, this is Derek from Rod Inspect, San Antonio, Texas, here doing another Inspector's Insight video for you guys. We're out here doing a home inspection up on the roof, and it's a new roof, and I wanted to show you just some of the things we look at regarding new roofs. So here we are, up on the nice new roof. You know, we look for many things regarding fasteners. You can see there's a nail lifting this shingle right here a little bit. That's one thing that we will point out to the buyers. We also check out skylights. We come to skylights and we look for cracks, and there actually is a little bit of some cracking right here. Maybe a little bit of repair, but we still have some cracks, so we'll bring that up to them as well. But my main concern is over here. Now there's a dog, so apologize for the noise, but we all love our dogs. So if you look, this deflection right here, even though it's a brand new roof, we will be bringing up to the buyer to probably have a roofer come and take a look at it. Just because it's gonna be hard to show you guys because of the satellite here, but when we pull up these shingles right here, you can see, again, hard to show you guys, but there's some decking that's damaged and the fasteners are loose, and it's kind of gives a little bit when you press on it. And so probably with the old roof, after they replaced it, there was a leak in the soffit and caused damage to the decking. And so just one of the many reasons to have inspection by Rod Inspects, because we get up on new roofs and check everything out and make sure that it was installed properly. You know, again, workmanship. We have some leftover shingles up here, and you don't want to leave these because they can hold debris and collect water. So again, we get up on new roofs, check everything out, and make sure it was installed correctly. Thank you guys for watching. Please like our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you'll be seeing more of me. Thanks, guys.